These are the worst pipes I've seen in my life. Our client wasn't trying to drink liquefied rust no more, so she called up the greatest plumbers in the world. Me and bro started ripping that stuff out ASAP with ultimate speed, man. Man, it's not even sped up. This real life, how fast I'm moving. Now I'm just crimping on these caps for the basement bathroom. Man, don't listen to any old head that says you only crimp it once. Man, don't crimp 3 times like me and you'll never get a leak. Better secure them water lines, otherwise they're gonna be smacking in the next room like some bad neighbors. Everybody I work with say I'm blessed because I'm tall. I could do all this work with no ladder. I think it's just a skill issue. Get bigger. But anyways, down below the YouTube plumbers are gonna let me know how it looks. I really don't care because I know I'm the cleanest in the game. Get up, get that pape. It's another good day when you got a happy client.